In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App quickly and easily. First, open the Prizepicks app or go to the Prizepicks website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the Withdraw section, usually found in the Account or Wallet menu. Prizepicks offers various withdrawal methods, including bank transfer, PayPal, and prepaid cards. Since Cash App does not appear as a direct withdrawal option, the best method is to use bank transfer. To do this, open Cash App, go to the Banking tab, the $ icon, and select Routing and Account Number. Copy both details, then return to Prizepicks and enter them when setting up your withdrawal method. Once your Cash App account is linked, enter the amount you want to withdraw and submit the request. Prizepicks usually processes withdrawals within 24 to 48 hours, and once approved, the funds will be deposited into your Cash App balance. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from Prizepicks to Cash App using a linked bank transfer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.